at the morning says that
Any idea about how much area is this? These people occupy?
Look, this so-called club, my lord, is only occupying.
No, he's not a club. He says he's a school.
No, this is a club, Majirat Club.
What is your
Majirat Boys Club.
submission? You are a club? If it is a school, tell me how much area is there.
Well, I have
several shop rooms on that
Election
land.
has to go. You just cannot hold on to somebody else's property.
Kindly see
Nothing
that.
doing. Is it this road where
Yes.
they are occupying?
This is the road where they occupy. Well, I have made it with the paper block, then it was clear. Now, as soon as the political party office was to be installed, they have managed to gather these people.
Somebody was here to produce documents, Mr. Thor. Yes. Give a copy to your learned senior friend.
Yes, sir.
Both sides.
On both sides, I have got only 3.
What is this?
What is this? Electric bills?
Let me.
Yes, start.
Kindly come to page 1 first.
1.
The first paragraph. Women and youth hailing from distressed backgrounds such as slums and streets for last 35 years or more with the help of the local people. I will show the identity card on that address being issued by 25 years back, 30 years back. Now, kindly come to that page 8. I don't know whether it's been telling or not. This is the 25 years back. This has been issued, and the identity card. Kindly come to.
What is
Yes,
this?
page 9.
Tell me one thing. Please be reasonable. Can you establish your right relying upon these?
Since from 1995, I have the documents. 1992. Kindly come to the last page. Kindly come to the last page.
Show me something from the port authority that they have permitted you to use this plot.
12th March 1992.
All these addresses are beyond the issue.
Last page.
Last page.
12th March at the bottom. Kindly see
this document.
Yes.
Yes.
12th date of issuance 12th March 1992. I'll show another document.
No, what does it show? 92 document.
Registered hawker in that land.
Where is that?
Kindly Calcutta Street Hawkers Union on the top.
What is the authority of this union to give you a card?
This I am showing that before the court that I have been there, or these persons have been there possessing that land. Since 19 or maybe from 19 prior thereto.
Yes.
Let me come back with all those documents.
Then what authority does this union
now wants to know about the law. Now I'll be taking the Records of Limitation Act.
What is
kindly come to section 27 once. Extinguishment of the right.
Yes.
Kindly come to section 27 once.
Yes.
At the determination of the period hereby limited to any person for instituting a suit of possession of any property, suit for possession of any property, his right to such property shall be extinguished. I take the defense in this case, their right has been extinguished because they did not take any step within the 30 years time period. Now kindly come to 65 once, article 65. Has got article 65 that for possession of immovable property or any interest therein based on title, on the right hand side will get the time period is 12 years.
This is not restricted to government properties.
I will show, yes, the judgment of that.
How much place are you occupying? How much place are you occupying?
I'll have to take all those
instructions. You don't have any information. You are before the court.
Around 10:25, my clients came and
they are not interested. They just want to stall the.
They hail from a slum. Kindly. Now, kindly.
No, I won't see anything. Tell me how much place are you occupying? How much is the area?
The entire stretch of road, there was nothing. One political party office, after the order is passed, they take recourse. I just place it. I have the highest sympathy for these poor downtrodden people, but this cannot be used for the purpose of destroying the right of the public sector. Kindly take this letter right track. At the top, undated letter.
Yes.
And my lord will immediately get you how this letter was not manufactured. I beg, I being Assistant General Secretary of the caption concerned, would like to inform you.
কোনটা দিলে এটা
The registered office of this right track milot is in
2005
Mominpur area,
না এটা তো 19
at the top right hand side.
2005
Yes.
টা দাম না আমাকে
And the administrative office is milot is somewhere else. Project office is somewhere else.
Hmm.
They now write this letter to the officer in charge saying that we have been staying there for more than 35 years.
মানে
I will-
Wait, don't interrupt. Yes.
I will show that this road, construction, the permission was granted for the purpose of construction. Kindly come to my petition, page 96. This is the work order issued for resurfacing Helen Kila Sharoni by heavy duty paper block in 3rd January 2023, and it was completed on 2nd of February 2024. Nothing was there. The political party office was coming up when he complained. Now this right track says, this is very interesting, there is no political party office. How he is interested to know?
মানে I'm
There is
not
no-
on there.
Again,
There is no political party office besides adjacent said local association Majirat Boys Club. Furthermore, we are not taking any assistance from any political party. How does this question comes? When will they write this? They were not there. They were organized to prevent this operation. They let the operation be continued. As the police in the morning says that
any idea about how much area is this, these people occupy?
this so-called club is only occupying.
No, he's not a club. He says he's a school.
No, this is a club, Majirat Club,
What is your
Majirat Boys Club.
submission? You are a club?
I am appearing on behalf of all the
No.
so-called encroachers being tagged by
Or
Mr.
so-called encroachers?
Yes, fine. Malad, we are saying, Malad,
If it is a school, tell me how much area is there?
Malad,
Well, I
there
have
are
told you
several
just
shop
right.
rooms on
No,
that
everything
land.
has to go. You just cannot hold on to somebody else's
Malad,
property.
kindly see,
Nothing
Malad,
doing.
the 2005, Malad,
Whatever is there,
Malad, kindly
we'll
see the
clear it out.
judgment, Malad.
No.
My right,
It has
Malad,
to
about the adverse possession, Malad, that's been curtailed by the writ court
You are not
in a
there.
summary proceedings. Malad, nobody is listening to me, nobody is hearing me, no documents being, Malad, considered. In the writ petition, Malad, 2 persons' name have been, Malad, alleged, and those 2 persons are not being made party.
Page 96, what were you referring? It's
KMC, Malad, when Mr. Bhattacharya was the, Malad,
Page 96,
96.
the work order issued for the purpose of
resurfacing,
paper block road.
Yes.
Page
Is it this road where
Yes.
they are occupying?
This is the road where you occupy. Well, I have made it with the paper block, then it was clear. Now, as soon as the political party office was to be installed, they have managed to gather these people. I had photograph to show the political party flag. Immediately order is passed, it's Majirat Club comes in.
And what is the stand of the police? Mr. Banerjee was submitting in the morning that you have taken steps for removal and you want more force for removal of these people. Obstruction.
I have taken instructions. We shall have a superior officer who shall be commanding a much larger, whatever the necessary, it will be a dynamic arrangement that shall go in if required more. Full layout is being chalked out. But in any case, on the layout done on the last occasion, this time that there should be much more. No, we shall. Lordship,
How soon can you do it?
when your Lordship says. Well, not,
No, the order is already there.
not today. Your Lordship does not say today. But giving one day's time, we should make done.
One day. Today is Wednesday. I'll fix it on Friday.
Malad,
Tomorrow is Thursday.
Malad will not hear me.
Arrangement, but your Lordship is fixing the demolition on Friday.
No. The matter is being made returnable on Friday. So that you can perform the work. Yes.
Thursday to do the arrangement and the demolition on, because if required.
Arrangement is already there. Half of it is there. The more
Far more arrangement.
you delay, the more difficult it will be for you to perform the work.
I'll tell you logically what happens is I have to requisition in force, but it's not just one unit that will go there. But from these reserve forces and others, so I have to give some time for them to come in. Maybe somebody.
No, because this is an emergent situation. It's a government body.
Malad, in a summary proceedings, my lord is directing Malad to evict me, Malad.
No direction of eviction. The court is directing the authority to take steps for construction of their hospital.
Malad, without evicting, Malad, when my right has been accrued, fructified, Malad, I have shown Malad 2 judgments,
Please
Malad.
come.
Malad, they have not started even any proceedings. Not before the estate officer.
The order passed by the court on
Malad,
20th of June 2024 is yet to be acted upon fully. Stop. Time has been sought for by the learned advocate representing the state respondents for acting strictly in terms of the order passed by the court. Stop. Next. An attempt has been made before this court by some of the occupiers of the land, claiming themselves to be in occupation for more than
35 years.
35 years. Stop. It has been submitted that valuable right has accrued in their favor. Stop. Next.
One valuable civil right, my lord, kindly.
Civil right has accrued in their favor. ঠিক আছে? Next, the petitioners rely upon page 96 of the writ petition, which is dated which is a communication dated 3rd January 2023, signed by the chief engineer of the Shamaprasad Mukherjee Port, addressed to one Messrs. Srijan Devcon Limited, regarding regradation and resurfacing of Helen Keller Sharoni by heavy duty paver block connecting Transport Depot and Gorakacha Road, along with development of drainage system. Paragraph. It has been submitted that when the communication was made in January 2023, there was no objection from any person whatsoever with regard to the regradation and resurfacing of the same land where the interveners presently claim to be in possession. Stop. Next, the purpose for which the petitioner requires their land is for construction of a hospital. Stop. The
And my lord,
land in question
and I have
is
not-
recorded in favor of the petitioner. Stop. The petitioner has every right to enjoy the land as per its own wish and desire. Stop. Next, the matter is made returnable on 28th of June. Stop. The police shall make all necessary arrangement for compliance of the direction passed by the court on 20th of June.
my lord, regarding my other submission that writ petition has been surreptitiously drafted, my lord, where these facts have not been pleaded, only cause of action has been shown
Petition.
just, my lord, before the writ petition was filed,
The intervener বলেছে
that part has not, my lord has,
দিয়ে দেবেন, but then there is no plan.
and my lord, two judgments, my lord.
I have one favor.
Yes, please.
So if the matter is to come on Friday, in that case, it has to be done on Thursday.
Yes, do it. You arrange for all things.
For me to put